So, our agenda was simple: go to Goa to shoot a corporate event, work on a side project in Recce in Udupi, and relax. Good morning. Rise and shine. How's the juice? Why are you so awkward? Just look at your beautiful face. Think it's a mirror. Are you still feeling shy?
You're taking a beating.
Yeah. Videos are more engaging. We were traveling to Goa at possibly the most rainiest time of the year. And to our luck, it was the first time in about 80 years that entire belt was seeing such a monsoon. Yummy! What is it, Alan?
Why?
Ganda sa goody. Something intense has happened. On this route, we saw many different effects of the monsoon and some carelessness. Sitting in the comfort of this car in this downpour of a monsoon, it was really humbling watching these people work and help traffic navigate as usual. Arriving into Goa, we first stopped by to go meet our friends Lil Cat Yoda while they were away. And also grabbed some yummy dessert. We finally reached our Airbnb and wow, was it warm. Love that we have to segregate. Home for the next 2 days. Pull out couch for the boys. Hello, balcony. Rise and shine. Good morning. It's time to get to work actually. Time to go to work. So we were shooting at the Taj Exotica Hotel in Goa and it was a corporate shoot. So most of it was really hush-hush. So not much BTS from there. However, it was a beautiful hotel and so many lovely sights to see.
I should.
Pretty. Some of the BTS that I can show you from what we shot happened mostly outside the conference room. Like in this shot, you can see me tracking in straight through the entrance right where the conference hall is. We also needed to shoot some B-roll around the hotel. Breakfast.
Continental food is great, but check out this honeycomb that is directly giving us honey at this lovely breakfast. Wow.
Here's me sitting and doing a mid-shoot recap, making sure I've got all the necessary shots I need before we leave this place. Masquerade! Oh, this is so... Telling this Ujjwal the hotel is so big, we'll play hide and seek means no expense.
ऐसे खोलते हैं मेरे
Oh my god. I think we took a lot of pictures of the floor.
We're officially wrapping up day 1. Hi, furry friend. Hi, baby.
It felt nice to wrap up day 1 and finally get out into town. Of course, it was rainy, but we managed to have some fun. So there's a fish spa here. We're going to check it out. Oh, why is this place so beautiful? Just look at that moss. Just look at that moss. Wow. Okay, fish spa. Sure? Oh wow, it's so clear, but a lot of mosquitoes. Oh wow, okay. And so the evening came and we had to call it a day on day 2. Hey, we're back at the hotel where we're shooting the corporate event. Joel is saying that I should probably not continue work today and just sit and enjoy my free time, but I'm feeling a little guilty and I'm going to use the free time to work. Obviously. It's very rare that we actually get shoots where we have a couple of hours free in between, but I just seem to be the kind of person who can't waste any minutes. I mean, have you heard of productivity guilt? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's toxic. Don't be me. Pastry section is spoiling me. It literally rained the rest of the day, so we had to call it a day sooner. Done with shoots, and now it's time for some self-care. We have officially finished our corporate shoot. Let's go to the spa.
There you go. Wanna live?
Yeah, okay. So many days of rain and finally one with not much rain. So today I'm going to Sentier by Tatva, and my lovely friend Cora gifted me this awesome spa wellness coupon for my birthday and I can't wait to redeem it. So I'm all robed up and it's time to relax.
Sure.
Ujjwal, am I glowing?
We quickly headed on to finish our side project. We took the rest of the day to go back to Yoda and our friends and have a nice hearty meal. And then it was time to leave Goa.
Hey.
The last day in Goa. We're leaving out of Goa on our way to Udupi, finalize on a few things, our next recce spot, and how beautiful is this belt in the monsoon?
Look in my eyes, bullshit aside, don't waste my time too. Do you know? Oh, I lost you, but at least I tried to do right by you. I fastened the noose. You had to show me what this really was.
Waterfall. And so we draw to the end of this lovely little work plus leisure trip. I'm glad if you stayed so far and watched the entire vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you know every time I upload my next video. And until next time, bye.